I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play your PlayStation Portal while your PlayStation 5 console is in rest mode. This allows you to enjoy your games remotely without needing your console fully powered on. We will cover 4 key steps to ensure a seamless experience, from adjusting console settings to making your initial connection. Let's get started and unlock your portable gaming freedom. First, grab your PlayStation 5 controller and head to the system settings. Scroll down and select the Remote Play option. Here, you must toggle Enable Remote Play to the on position. This crucial step permits your PlayStation Portal to establish a connection with your console, acting as the gateway for your remote gaming sessions. Without this, your Portal cannot communicate with your PlayStation 5. Next, we need to configure your PlayStation 5's power saving options. Return to System Settings, then choose Power Saving, and select features available in rest mode. It is vital to enable 2 settings here. Stay connected to the internet and enable turning on PlayStation 5 from network. These ensure your console remains accessible and can be woken up by your Portal, even when it is in a low power state. With your PlayStation 5 properly configured, ensure it is now in rest mode. Pick up your PlayStation Portal, power it on, and select your console from the available options. Your Portal will then wake your PlayStation 5 and connect automatically. You are now ready to enjoy your favorite PlayStation 5 games remotely, whether you are in another room or across town, with a stable internet connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.